Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? I hope everyone's doing great and I'm also doing well. Today I would like to share my thoughts as well as I'm trying to keep practicing a little bit speaking English. So let's start. First of all, thank you for giving me your important time. This is a very bad time in my life because I have no work and I have no money for my wallet. That's why it was terrible for myself. But I hope I will be become a rich man in my village side. I believe if I continue work for my dream, then I will be become a SE for my dream as soon as possible. I think it's time to never give up for my life. I wish I could be left my country as soon as possible because this country have been lots of problems. I can see in my village there are terrible side if you are a good person because nobody care about for yourself. In my opinion, you need to know about yourself. After that, you will be continue work for your life. In fact, I can see in this place most of the people are very bad if you are a good person. In my opinion, you don't waste too much time in your life. You need to learning new thing day by day. Even if you wasting too much time in your life, it will be terrible for your whole life. It doesn't matter how often did you mistake, and how much you are failing. You have to concentration and keep practicing day by day. Then you will be achieve anything in your life. Even you must be work hard, but if you have to know about for yourself without a dream, your life it's very bad. You must be continue struggle for your dream. Then you will be achieve anything in the world. Don't people talk about your surrounding side for your dream. You keep practicing and you stay silent and you keep practicing day by day. Then you will be become as if you dream one day. So when I was arrived this place, after that I try to keep practicing a little bit this language because I believe if I keep practicing more and more, then I will be as if for my dream as much as possible. So that's all fitty about me. Thank you everyone for your patience and hurry. See you next video. Have a nice day.